Before we start understanding the different functionalities in date and time, we need to understand that how Excel reacts on the capturing of the date and time. It means how Excel records a date and time. I'm not talking about the format. I'm talking about the actual value in which Excel records it. For example, have a look. I am writing one date over here, which is August 3rd, 2016. And if I hit enter, this is one date. If I type in 13/7/2016 and I'll hit enter. Now the value of both the cells are looking like dates, but I'll show you a difference. But before that, tell me one thing. If I type in 1 and hit enter, and if I put any text and hit enter, can you tell me the difference? Yes, the difference is the number is always right aligned and a text is always left aligned. And now if I expand this column, you'll find one more thing, that this is coming on the right hand side and this is coming on the left hand side. It means what? This is actually a date and this is a text. And one more thing I'll show you. If I put my cursor on 1 and if I open up this menu, you'll see that this 1 is coming in almost all the formats available in Excel, because a number can be changed in any format that we want. Similarly, this date also is available in all the formats, even in a number also, because every date in Excel is a number. But if I go through with this text, I'll show you that A is coming as A throughout, because a text is a text. We cannot change it. And similarly for this date is actually a text, so that's why we are not getting any other format for this particular cell. So I hope you got the idea that actually a date is a number, and that is why we can able to perform calculation on a date. And even if you convert any number into a date, it will show you something. For example, if I convert it into a date, a short date, so see this, 1st of January 1900, that's the first date accepted in Excel. And from that day onwards, today's date is also a number. So we'll discuss about it in coming videos. Thank you.